How good's a bacon and egg roll? And bacon as is, just fried, is delicious. But bacon that's been fried with a little butter and maple syrup, well, that is amazing. It's a little naughty, but this is a Sunday treat. So I'm going to be using some middle bacon. This one's been wood smoked, and what I love about middle bacon is you get the best of everything. So you've got the loin and the belly. Now I'm just going to cut this in half so it fits in the pan, and then we'll add the bacon. And you don't want the pan to be too hot because you want some of the fat to render away. So I'm going to fry this bacon on both sides until it's really crispy, and then I'm going to show you the little trick with maple syrup. Now that the bacon is crispy, a small knob of butter, and this is going to glaze the bacon, also thicken up our little sauce, which is maple syrup. So in with this, and you can be generous with it, along with some Chinese 5-spice, a pinch of that, and then with your tongs, just coat the bacon in the butter and the maple syrup. And the way I'm going to serve this is in a bacon and egg sandwich. So we'll add the bacon, and because the sauce is so sweet, you don't need to add any tomato sauce or barbecue sauce. I'll just drizzle some of that yummy thick caramel-like sauce over the top. A few poached eggs, or you could do some fried eggs, or even put it on top of French toast, candied bacon. It is a little bit naughty, but so, so good.